Hello everyone, today we learn about Galilean transformation equations. Galilean transformation equation for space and time. These transformation equations are necessary to understand that concept of relativity. So let us discuss them now. R2 inertial frame of reference, yes, and frame S dash. S is the stationary frame of reference, and yes, this is the moving frame of reference. Now suppose at time t equals to t dash equals to 0, that is in the start they are at the same position that the observation O and OH coincide. Time t is equal to t dash equals 0 means that these two frames can be anything. There will be two cyclists, there will be two bikers, there may be two persons having cars. So this is for him yes, and this is frame yes dash, and these two frames initially they are at the same position. After that, S dash frame start from moving with a uniform velocity v along x-axis. Here you can see that this frame start moving with the uniform velocity v along x-axis. Now let him even happen at position B in the frame S dash. Any event can happen in the frame S dash. For example, a biker has a gap and he has thrown the gap. The coordinate of the P will the x coordinate to the observer who in frame S dash, and it will be x according to observer O in the from S. The frame S dash has moved a distance vt in time t. Now you can see the figure that this is the distance vt. There is a distance between these two frames S and S dash at a particular time t, because we know that the equals to velocity into time. This is equal to speed into time I repeat, P is the position of the event occurs x dash is the coordinate of the event from frame S dash. X is the coordinate from event from same S, and Vt is the difference between the two frames, that is S and S dash. Now what should be the relation between x and x dash? As we can see from figure X, we can see from the figure x equal to x dash plus x equal to x dash plus Vd, but here t is equal to p dash. Therefore we can write down that x equal to x dash plus Vt. The meaning of t is equal to d dash, because there are two frame of example. Again there are two biker, and if both are wearing a watch, and if suppose there is 11 am in both us of there is equal to t dash and x equal to x dash plus Vt, where t and t dash are the time measured from S and S dash frame respectively, but should be x dash. You are right, x dash equals to x minus Vt. It can be achieved by just changing the size of the equation one, but there is more. It just not exchanging the side, which is it perfectly right that the x dash equals to x minus Vt, but this is not about exchange the side. If we see equation 1, we'll find that is the position measured by hope, and d dash is moving with positive velocity plus v velocity, but if the same thing is measured by oh dash, same thing is measured velocity of should be negative. For example, the train according observe direction suppose, but outside object according to me travel in the opposite direction, do the same negative velocity. So here here negative velocity, here negative sign is the relation equation number 2. This minus sign is not due to the exchange of size. Size minus sign is due to the change in the observer. For the equation 1, according to this observer, this frame is moving with plus v velocity. For the equation 2, According to this observer or this frame is moving with a negative velocity, that is an opposite direction. That's why there is minus sign. Now what should be the relation of y and y dash? It will be by Zico. 4y equals to y because axis we are supposing along x-axis. Similarly, z equal to z dash buzzer equal to z, and t is equal to t dash, and t dash equal to t equation. 13, 57 are known as linear inverse transformation equation. For space, Galilean space transformation equation. Time equation 2, 4 and 6 and 8 are known as Galilean transformation equation for space and time. These are the linear transformation equation for space and